Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get multiple hairs on Roblox Mobile. This guide will help you customize your avatar with several hair accessories, enhancing your unique style. We will cover accessing the necessary settings, equipping your chosen hairs, and offer some helpful tips. Get ready to transform your Roblox look with just a few simple steps, making your avatar truly stand out from the crowd. To begin, open your preferred mobile browser, like Chrome or Safari, and navigate to the official Roblox website. It is crucial to then request the desktop site version of the page through your browser's settings. This step is essential because the mobile site does not offer the advanced customization options we need. Once the desktop site loads, log into your Roblox account to access your avatar editor. Now that you are on the desktop site, head to the avatar section and select the hair category. Click on the first hair accessory you wish to wear. For additional hairs, you will need their unique asset ID. Find the item page for each desired hair, copy its asset ID from the URL, and then paste these ID into the advanced section of the avatar editor. You can add several this way. For the best experience, always ensure you are using the desktop site version of Roblox on your mobile device. Keep in mind that while you can equip multiple hairs, some combinations might overlap or not display perfectly. You can typically wear up to 10 hair accessories simultaneously, offering extensive customization. Experiment with various styles and colors to discover your perfect, personalized Roblox avatar look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.